a video very similar to this in the past. Well, actually, I made this same exact video in the past, but today's different because today we're actually gonna make a car's exhaust pop. But before we get any further, Taylor meet Skylar, Skylar meet Taylor. Yep, he bought the car. I was reading some of the comments and a lot of you thought we were just messing around, test driving cars at dealerships, but in reality, he was actually serious looking for a car. And it's funny because he bought that car from the same exact salesperson that sold me this car. Providing good customer service gets you a long way. After seeing this car, I really started to think that maybe I made the wrong decision because the WRX is fast and it's just so damn fun to drive. All right, so this car pulls. Dude, this car is so fast, what the fuck? Holy shit. Oh my god. Dude, this car is ridiculously fast. Dude, holy shit. This car is so fun. But that's all the WRX. If you guys want to keep up with that, definitely go follow his channel. Back to the BRZ. Like I was saying, today we're gonna make the exhaust pop. A quick little disclaimer before we get deeper into it. I only know how to do this on a BRZ, FRS, or 86, and for this to work, you're going to need an open flash tablet. While the open flash manager is opening up, by the way, don't mind this crack, I don't know how it happened, but while it's opening up, I want to say real quick, if you're doing this, this is all at your own risk. I'm not taking any responsibility for somebody messing up their car. As of what I know, this isn't bad for your car. Nobody has ever told me that it's bad, but I don't think it's good either, but this is all at your own risk. All right, so you're gonna want to open up ROM Raider. I already have it opened up, I already have my file uploaded into it. You're gonna want to go to ignition, timing, advance, and then base timing B. So you're gonna have this whole grid map thing opened up and it looks intimidating, I'm not gonna lie, but if I remember correctly from what Joel, by the way, I want to give a huge thank you to Joel. He's the one who tuned my car for me. He showed me how to do this, and if he didn't show me how to do this, I wouldn't be able to show you guys how to do it. My car wouldn't be popping, and honestly, I wouldn't be as happy as I am right now. So once you open up your grid, you're gonna see like the numbers down here, which are your RPMs, and then numbers up here, and I'll be honest, I have no idea what the fuck these do. So depending on when you want your car to pop, you're gonna adjust the numbers. I have mine from 2200 all the way to 5200. So because I'm running on E85, I'm gonna change all these numbers to -5. If you're not on E85, then you could just do -8. So what you're gonna wanna do is click it, go up to this little box right here, -5, and then set, and then it's just gonna throw a different number out there, -5.04, and then you're just gonna wanna go to wherever you want to do. Mine's 2200 to 5200, like I said. So once you're done adjusting all the numbers to your personal preference, you're gonna want to put this onto your open flash manager, and then from there onto the open flash tablet. Once it's on your open flash tablet, just reflash your ECU and you should be good. So once you reflash your ECU, you have to do a specific thing with the pedals to actually make it pop, because it's kind of like an on command type of thing. But before we do that, and before I show you guys how to do that, I'm gonna help Jay real quick put a cob into his car.
So what I did is that I gave it a bobber and
you ready to finally be able to keep up with me? Woohoo! Still need more low though.
I'm saying about 2-port. And that is directly right here. This is your clutch. It is right here all the way to the left. And there's this thing right here.
Look at this double camera action, bros.
Boom. Now, well, let's get this first startup.
Dude, I feel the difference.
I feel
way more boost. Yeah, there's way more boost. Like, you really feel like peak boost a lot quicker now.
Dude.
No, dude, I'm kidding. We didn't even go anywhere.
I was gonna say like, bro, like,
I'm fucking around, man.
I was like, where did you feel the boost from? Your butthole?
Dude, I'm just messing around. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Dude, the cob made such a big difference. And keep in mind, this was only stage 1. When he goes stage 2 and possibly E85, it can be insane. I'm kind of worried now. Like, I'm gonna fall so far behind.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I just got this semi-jank GoPro setup going on. Got the little mic with the puff so you guys could actually hear it. Got the GoPro hooked up and everything. And I took off my wing and zip tied everything to the wing holes so I don't lose it. But hopefully this gets some great footage for you guys. Jank, but functional. That's so funny, dude. All right, so like I told you guys, my RPM range is from about 2200 to 5200. So I'm gonna wanna keep the RPMs there while I'm driving. And what you basically want to do is just let off the gas, and there's this little gap, at least in my BRZ. I don't know about all BRZs, but in my BRZ, there's like a little gap. When you push down on the gas, nothing much really happens to the engine. So you're gonna wanna basically hold your foot on that gap in order to make it pop. So I'm gonna keep it in first gear, bring it up to a 4,000, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. It's kind of hard to explain, so I'm just gonna show you guys to make it a little bit easier. Get about to 4,000 and let go of the gas a little bit, and